In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss on Thinkorswim Mobile. If you want to protect a stock or options position and limit potential downside, setting a stop loss can be a useful tool. On Thinkorswim Mobile, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside the app. First, open the Thinkorswim Mobile app on your device. Once you're inside, go to the area where your open holdings are listed. Depending on how your app is arranged, tap Positions or Monitor. Both are used to view your current trades, so just choose the section that shows the position you want to manage. Next, select the stock or option position you want to protect with a stop loss. Make sure you tap the correct holding, especially if you have multiple positions open, since the stop order will be tied to the specific position you choose. After that, tap Close Position or create a sell order manually if that is what appears in your version of the app. This brings up the order ticket, which is where you'll adjust the details of the order. Inside the order ticket, tap Order Type. By default, this may be set to Market or Limit. To create a stop loss, change that order type to Stop. This is the key setting because a stop order is designed to trigger once your chosen price level is reached. Now enter your stop price. This is the price that will trigger the sell order. In other words, if the asset reaches that level, the order becomes active. It's a good idea to choose this price carefully based on your risk tolerance and trading plan, since setting it too tight may trigger an exit sooner than expected, while setting it too far away may allow for a larger loss. Then choose the time in force, also called TIF. If you select day, the order will expire at the end of the trading day if it is not triggered. If you choose GTC, which stands for Good Till Cancelled, the stop loss remains active until it is filled or you cancel it yourself. This choice depends on whether you want protection just for the current session or over a longer period. Finally, review the order details carefully, then tap Confirm and Send. Before submitting, double check the position, the order type, the stop price, and the time setting so you know exactly what you're sending. And that's how to set a stop loss on Thinkorswim Mobile.